हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। एक बहुत ही रीसेंट रेडिट पोस्ट मैंने देखा जिससे आई वाज इंस्पायर्ड टू डू दिस वीडियो एंड आई शो यू द पोस्ट राइट अवे। द पोस्ट इज बेसिकली व्हाट द टाइटल ऑफ द वीडियो सेज। सो समवन posted here on the CAT preparation subreddit that that person is going to choose FMS over B with a heavy heart, and यहाँ पे कुछ reasons दिए हुए थे. You can pause the video, have a look at the reasons that have been mentioned. If you feel something in addition to these reasons that have been mentioned, let me know in the comment section below. But this is basically what the post looked like. अब इसके अंदर हम लोग जाके डीप डाइव करके देखते हैं whether these reasons are justified. क्या FMS सच में IIM-B से better option है, और you should ideally go for an IIM-A-B-C over an FMS that exists. तो एक एक करके ये arguments को थोड़ा सा evaluate करते so that we are also clear in terms of which is the better brand and whether you should be going for FMS or IIM Bangalore, or how exactly should you choose. So the first point that has been made here is that this person is brand agnostic and the repercussions in the long run will not really be that much. So ये एक यहाँ पे take है. एंड आई कंप्लीटली अग्री विद दिस टेक, दैट्स वाई द ग्रीन कलर दैट आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. तो हाँ, मतलब अगर तुम ब्रांड एग्नोस्टिक हो, अगर तुमको ब्रैगिंग राइट्स नहीं चाहिए, देन आई एम बैंगलोर, एफएमएस, अगेन आगे जाके और भी पैरामीटर्स देखेंगे, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन नोबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू अरे तुम एफएमएस से हो तो तुमको प्रमोशन नहीं देंगे, आई एम बैंगलोर वाले को प्रमोशन देंगे, ऐसे नहीं होगा. सो 10, 15 ईयर्स, 20 ईयर्स डाउन द लाइन नोबडी इज गोइंग टू बॉदर यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर बी स्कूल कि तुम्हारा बी स्कूल कौन सा था. यू विल बेसिकली बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर अ रोल इफ यू आर फ्रॉम अ टियर 1 बी स्कूल, तो तुम्हारे जो ब्रैकेट्स होंगे वो भी डिफाइंड होंगे. तो yes, absolutely in the long run it doesn't really matter which B school you are from. The second thing यहाँ पे बोला गया है that skill is greater than brand. So a lot of institutes, a lot of companies value skill more than the brand name. I am kind of on the fence in terms of this particular thing. That's why the orange color. I don't think brand is that irrelevant, right? At least at the initial part of your career ना brand काफी relevant होता है. वहाँ पे you will get a lot of opportunities because of being a part of a better brand. And skill जितना मर्जी बोल लो skill के बारे में, you will definitely not get your first job purely on the basis of skill. In most cases probability हो सकता है, but in most cases you will not get a job purely because you are skilled at your job. Because in a lot of these IIMs, XLR, FMS, जो फ्रेशर्स होते हैं या लेस देन 2 इयर्स के वर्क एक्स वाले लोग होते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती हैं ऑन कैंपस, एंड उनका स्किल तो मतलब क्या ही इवेल्युएट करोगे. सो द कंपनी विल कम टू द कैंपस प्योरली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रॉमिस दैट द ब्रांड इज मेकिंग देम, दैट एफएमएस, एक्सएलआरआई, IIM-A, B, C, LIK, ये सारे कॉलेजेस उनके स्टूडेंट्स अच्छे होंगे, ये अजम्पशन के साथ कंपनीज आर गोइंग टू कम टू कैंपस. The third thing, loans are scary. That's what has been written. Now, of course, I understand that यार loans is an additional headache that you have. You have to pay off the loans. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ता है. You are giving away a part of your salary every month for a good part of maybe 3, 4, 5, 10 years, depending on कितना duration का तुम्हारा loan है. But then again, I completely disagree with this particular sentiment that loans होंगे तो एक college खराब होता है, और अगर loans नहीं लेना पड़े तो एक college better होता है. I would not really want to believe that, to be very honest. Although I come from FMS and I honestly did not really come from a very well-to-do background जहाँ पे मतलब ठीक है यार 20-25 लाख ऐसे दे देते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. But honestly speaking, because the brand demands it and there is of course demand and supply at play here, loans even if they are scary are going to be your friend, especially if you are making it to a top institute and you do not have the means to pay off the entire education का fees in one go. तो loans I don't think is a scary business. आगे जाके और भी चीज़ें देखेंगे, but loans definitely I don't think will be a scary thing stand alone. तो सिर्फ डर लग रहा है कि यार लोन देना पड़ रहा है इसके लिए और सेटलिंग फॉर अ लोअर कॉलेज, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट, इज गोइंग टू बी माय सजेशन इन दिस केस. बिलो एवरेज प्रोफाइल, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विद दिस. इनफैक्ट आई नो पीपल जिन्होंने IIM बैंगलोर छोड़ के FMS फाइनली ज्वाइन किया है. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज रेडिट, वी कांट रियली बी ट्रस्टिंग पीपल कि भाई उनको दोनों कन्वर्ट्स आए हैं कि नहीं आए, IIM बैंगलोर का कन्वर्ट आया है या नहीं आया है वो नहीं देख सकते. बट ठीक है, ऑन द इफ आई एम बीइंग कंसिडरेट एंड सेइंग कि नहीं ये सही है, सही प्रोफाइल है एंड दिस इज अ जेन्युइन पर्सन, इवन देन आई नो पीपल हु हैव इन रियलिटी लेट गो ऑफ IIM बैंगलोर, IIM कैलकाटा एंड हैव कम टू FMS. तो ये मुझे पता है, आई नो दीज पीपल हु एग्जिस्ट, माइनॉरिटी में होते हैं बट होते हैं. वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई दे डू दैट इज because they have a below average profile. So although the panelists have decided that you are good enough to join IIM Bangalore, वो तो उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया, बट अगर तुम्हारा CV जो है उस पे 8, 8, 7 ऐसा कुछ अगर पॉइंटर दिखाई दे रहा है, you are anyway not going to be eligible or you are not going to get shortlists from majority of McKinsey, BCG, Bain, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. तो टॉप कंपनी से तुमको वैसे भी प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. You are going to be in line for tier 2 consulting firms, Indian consulting firms let's say, या फिर non MBB consulting firms, इनके लिए तुम eligible होगे. You might get very good roles in terms of PE, VC, investment banking वाले roles तुमको मिलेंगे. But you are not going to get the MBBs of the world because there is so much of competition that exists. Also, जो अगले स्लाइड पे मैं कवर करूंगा, बिलो एवरेज प्रोफाइल इन अ कॉलेज, जहां पे बाकी सब लोगों की प्रोफाइल अच्छी है, वहां पे एक और प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है विच आई विल कवर अ बिट लेटर. बट येस, इफ यू हैव अ बिलो एवरेज प्रोफाइल एंड यू आर genuinely concerned about the competitiveness that exists at say A, B, C, or even L for that matter, or even XLRI for that matter, I would suggest that yes, FMS, choosing FMS over these colleges will be a very good decision. Not targeting MBB and focusing on marketing / general management roles. This was one of the reasons why I decided to stay back at FMS and not go for any of the interview processes that were there. अगर मुझे finance या consulting में interest होता, I would have definitely gone ahead and maybe at least appeared for the interviews that were there. At least ABC के interviews तो मैं दे ही देता. But अगर मैं MBB target ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं marketing roles ही target कर रहा हूँ, then marketing roles में कोई ज़्यादा difference नहीं होगा in terms of ABC, LIK, Excel, FMS में कुछ बड़ा difference नहीं होना चाहिए, even SP, JMR for that matter, कुछ ज़्यादा difference नहीं होना चाहिए in terms of the brands or the roles that are offered at these campuses. Even general management, काफ़ी सारे companies visit करते हैं सारे campuses को, so again that should not be the decision maker. But yes, finance या consulting कर रहे हो, definitely ABC might give you better opportunities compared to an FMS, an XLRI or an LIK kind of a thing. So yes, definitely then you should choose these colleges. Also you should have the profile to back this claim, right? So दोनों जो मैंने 0.4 और 0.5 यहाँ पे दिखाए हुए, both of them are dependent on each other. प्रोफाइल अच्छी है, टारगेट कर रहे हो MBB, गो फॉर इट. प्रोफाइल अगर अच्छी नहीं है बट MBB टारगेट कर रहे हो, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा होना. एंड अगर प्रोफाइल अच्छी नहीं है, MBB टारगेट भी नहीं कर रहे हो, देन FMS विल बी अ क्लियर चॉइस दैट यू विल हैव. CTCs won't differ by much, absolutely agree. FMS के थ्रू जो लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे कंपनी एंड IIMs के थ्रू जो लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे सेम कंपनी सेम रोल के लिए, उनकी सैलरी एग्जैक्टली सेम होगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम एन IIM यू आर गोइंग टू गेट पेड 35 lakhs per annum एंड बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम FMS यू आर गोइंग टू गेट पेड 30 lakhs per annum. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. The pay is on the basis of the level at which you are joining and not the college from where you are joining. So don't worry about the CTCs that are there. अगर same profile है, same role है, तो CTCs भी same ही होंगे. And average salaries अगर देखोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा differentiation नहीं होता in terms of ABC and FMS. So yes, this is a fair point. I agree with this point entirely. The last point is something that I was personally interested in and I completely resonate with this thing. If you are open to entrepreneurship, you can start your business much more quickly out of FMS compared to if you are passing out of an ABC, especially if you do not have the financial backing. And this is one of the reasons why people are more interested in pursuing entrepreneurship. अब वो करते हैं नहीं करते is a completely different story, right? You can pay off your loans as well and you can still start your entrepreneurship, कोई issue नहीं है उसके अंदर. But yes, एक mentally you are more free to explore the idea of being an entrepreneur and that of course leads to less mental stressor. Every month if you are paying an EMI तो थोड़ा stressful होता है. You can't leave your job right away. You can't really just move out of corporate entirely just because mentally stressful हो रहा है करके, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. So of course an FMS will give you that option that you will be able to sign out of placements, get into entrepreneurial ventures, at least explore it as and when you have the energy to do so. So yes, this is a fair evaluation entirely. Now, some more points from my side in this particular context. I definitely love the semester pattern more than the trimester pattern purely because मेरा firm belief ये है that if you are going for an MBA, you know better than the college what is it that you want to do. चलो इंजीनियरिंग में या कोई भी कॉमर्स, BBA, BMS, MBBS जो भी बैकग्राउंड रहा हो, वहाँ पे the college knew more than you did कि भाई तुमको क्या पढ़ाना चाहिए. You just used to go there, sit there and like ठीक है चलो मेरे को ये करिकुलम एक्सपीरियंस करके वापस आना है. Fair enough. But यहाँ पे you will have to choose your subjects, you will have to figure out how exactly do you want to allocate your time. और वहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से semester pattern is much better than trimester pattern because वहाँ पे exams का external pressure नहीं होता. Having said that, there are some people who might slack off and say क्या चलो एग्जाम्स नहीं आ रहे हैं 4-4.5 महीने तक, so let's do time pass. वो भी हो सकता है. So it completely depends on how you use your time. But मेरे हिसाब से semester pattern is much more better than the trimester pattern that exists. यहाँ पे the problem with the semester pattern is that student exchange programs at FMS are slightly compromised. वहाँ पे ना छोटे से 2 weeks 3 weeks के programs तुमको मिल सकते हैं जहाँ पे you can just go travel. It's mostly kind of an Euro trip for a lot of people, but करके यहाँ पे आ सकते हो वापस. But जो trimester pattern होता है that is followed by the global B schools. If FMS is not following that trimester pattern, then it's going to be an issue purely because then you will not be able to replace this trimester here with the trimester there. तो नहीं कर सकते because of which थोड़ा student exchange programs या global exposure थोड़ा सा compromise हो सकता है at FMS. बट FMS gives you more freedom to do things that you are genuinely interested in. या तुमको अगर प्लेसमेंट कमिटी में जाना है, तुमको अगर कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करनी है, you want to participate in competitions, events, you are free to do so with more mental space, because there aren't a lot of midterm or end-term exams that are coming your way at you when you are at the B school. ठीक है, so you get a lot of freedom to do things that you are interested in, and वहाँ पे you is the main word, because you have to figure out what you are interested in first of all, and then you devote time to those activities. The problem with FMS again is no residential campuses, so be ready for surprises. You can take up PGs, you can kind of get into some hostels as well. ये सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, but the problem is अगर मैं PG या rent पे कुछ घर ले रहा हूँ, then there might be some restrictions as well कि तुम 11 बजे के बाद नहीं आ सकते, 12 बजे के बाद नहीं आ सकते, तुम ये चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते. Your neighbors might not really be very friendly to you. I know there are these places जहाँ पे FMS के people have been traditionally staying, and even I stayed in my first year at the hostel because I was eligible to get one. Second year के अंदर I moved out of the hostel and moved into a rented apartment with more of my friends. तो वैसे हम लोगों ने किया था, and that was fine, that was a good arrangement that was there. But वहाँ पे you are liable for more or less everything once you are on your own. तो कुछ भी अगर रिपेयर वर्क करना है, कोई भी चीज़ को अगर स्टॉक करना है, ये सारी चीज़ें तुमको दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. खाना क्या बनाना है, क्या ये करना है, all those things you will basically have to apply your mind to. तो थोड़ा सा uncertainty यहाँ पे हो सकता है, थोड़े से surprises यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं. So make sure that you are mentally prepared for these kind of things. I would definitely prefer a residential campus because then I know that ये मेरा hostel का room है, यहाँ पे मैं आके बैठने वाला हूँ. As simple as that. FMS के अंदर वो थोड़ा सा uncertainty वहाँ पे हो सकता है. So this is kind of a negative for me in terms of FMS. And last thing, अगर मुझे पूछा जाए एकदम मतलब not because I am from FMS या जो भी है, but if you look at the pedagogy slash the professionalism that is there in terms of delivery of content, I would say our hands down IIMs are much better at delivering content, creating content, the kind of professionalism with which the AV setup is done, वहाँ से लेके Wi-Fi on campus से लेके actual campus life से लेके infrastructure से लेके everything, if you look at it, I think IIMs are far better compared to FMS. तो FMS is a bare bones campus. If you have seen the building, you have basically seen the campus, उतना ही campus है. You will not have a lavish libraries जहाँ पे तुम बैठ सकते हो, बहुत ही अच्छा Wi-Fi strong network होगा, ऐसा भी नहीं है. The classes will be very nicely made and all those things. नया campus ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Of course, being a part of Delhi University has its perks and also it has its shortcomings. So अगर मुझे पूछा जाए एकदम ऑनेस्टली कि यार मुझे तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है, आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न एज मच एज इज पॉसिबल फ्रॉम द फैकल्टी दैट एग्जिस्ट, एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर चाहिए इन दोज 2 years, आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड एन IIM ओवर एन FMS. सो दिस इज बेसिकली वाई इवन आई वुड वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर एन ABC इफ आई हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो देयर. ठीक है, नॉट दैट मेरा CV बहुत अच्छा होता वहाँ पे जाके, but then again it's okay यार, मेरे को MBB नहीं जाना, but if I want to get into an ITC, I can get into an ITC through an IIM as well. So why not have that experience and go to an ITC through an IIM? That is basically going to be my logic. And the last point is basically the clincher for me. इसके लिए if you ask me एकदम बिना कुछ मुझे बताए, बिना giving any justification, which college should I go for? I will say blindly go for IIM Bangalore. But then again, if you have certain things in mind that I have covered earlier, and वो अगर तुमको पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई ये सब को consideration करके, then you have to decide whether you want to join FMS or IIM Bangalore. Then in some cases I might say FMS, in most cases I will say IIM Bangalore. So I hope this was insightful to you. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this particular bit, and in case you are interested in any other kind of videos, do let me know in terms of suggestions as well, and I'll try to accommodate your requests. I'll see you again in the next video.